Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a little while since I've filmed in this setup and using this backdrop, and that is because I've been extremely busy. So my last few videos where I've been filming my eBay story, the story where I got scammed with a Xbox 360 game instead of a 10-ounce silver bar, I've just been filming on the floor. So I've been literally setting the camera up on a tripod and filming very quickly without actually setting everything up and filming in this backdrop. Now this backdrop is not just sitting around in my house. It's not a desk that's just sitting in my living room, for example, because as you can see, there's quite a lot of precious metals that are on display. There's 10 ounces here. Another 10 ounces here. That's 20 ounces sitting there, which is around about £660 just with those two bars. There's actually some of these bars available for sale on Stacker Social if you're interested, so head over to Stacker Social. But yeah, there's lots of silver sitting on display, and this is how I leave this setup. I leave all this silver sitting around. We come over to here, we've got some 5-ounce bars. 5 ounce, what's this? A 5-ounce coin. Got another 5-ounce Libertad there. Got some copper piece. So yeah, there's lots of value tied up just in this backdrop. And that is why this backdrop, like I said, isn't just sitting on a desk in my living room. It's actually locked behind 3 separate doors, believe it or not. So this backdrop alone is actually almost treated a bit like a safe in my house. You have to go through 3 separate locked doors to be able to get to this place. And when I'm not filming, this desk is used to store lots of boxes. Where I set the camera up just here, there's lots of boxes sitting here as well. So it's not as easy as just setting up the tripod and filming on this desk. I have to move everything around. So the last few videos I've done, I've just been filming on the floor. I haven't been filming using this setup, just to try and save a little bit of time. But I thought, you know what, it's been a short while since I last filmed using this setup. So today's video, I'm going to move everything out the way. I'm going to move all the boxes off, and I'm actually going to use this setup to film. I've also got a poured silver backdrop that also has all of my poured silver pieces set up at all times as well. And that is similar situation. That is locked behind a few different layers of security as well. And that is why I haven't filmed in that setup. I'm currently in the middle of building a third setup, and that will be mainly for YouTube Shorts and for TikTok videos. I am actually documenting that journey, and I'm not sure whether I'm going to release it to 365 Club members only, or whether I'm going to release it to everyone on the channel, because I don't know if everyone will be interested in it, but I'm not too sure yet. But I'm basically in the middle of creating a third permanent setup that is tailored more towards portrait videos. So yeah, I've started filming that. And let me know in the comment section if you're interested to see that journey. Then I will upload it to everyone so everyone can see it. And those of you that are on the fence about starting YouTube channels, it might give you a little bit of inspiration and show you how I go about setting up these backdrops. But let's get into today's video. I've just noticed this here. This is a puzzle piece, a silver puzzle piece that's silver punk poured using the silver that was left over from the 10-ounce Queen's Beast completer bar that a coin cutter cut up into a puzzle for me. Now the coin cutter is actually working on another 10-ounce piece, so someone else in the community will actually have a chance of owning that same, well, not the same one, but a very similar bar to the one that I've got, the puzzle piece bar. So keep a lookout on the coin cutter's YouTube channel. Just realized I've also got a silver punked 1 gram piece of gold there as well in the backdrop. Really cool. And I've also still got an empty decanter of whiskey. I've been having a little while off from drinking, trying to have a little bit of a detox. So I do need to fill that back up, even if I just fill it up for an ornament, because it doesn't look right having no whiskey in there. But yeah, let's get into the video. I'm just getting carried away with going through everything that's in the backdrop of the video because I haven't filmed in here for, it feels like forever now I haven't filmed using this setup. But let's get into the video. Now this is the unboxing of today's video. I believe it's a silver Kookaburra. I think and I hope it's a very special silver Kookaburra and not just your standard 1 ounce silver Kookaburras. So let's have a little look what we've got. Yes, this is the piece I thought it was. Now this was actually ordered from eBay quite a few months ago now. And on the other side of that package, I actually wrote what I thought it was, but I wasn't 100% sure because I like to do all of my unboxings on camera. But this is a very special Kookaburra. This isn't one for my collection box. This is just one for my collection in general. But you can see I really like the fact that the seller has put a little bit of packaging in between the coin and the capsule to make sure it doesn't rattle around. So what I'm going to do off camera is I'm actually going to remove that little bit of packaging just so I can show you the front side of this coin in all its glory. I'm going to leave off the capsule now, but have a look at that. Absolutely stunning. So this is a 2015 silver Kookaburra. You can see there it says 1990 to 2015, so it's a bit of a commemorative year one. And it looks absolutely incredible. Absolutely stunning. Like I've said many times on this channel before, I'm not a huge fan of colorized silver. I don't have many colorized pieces in my stack. But every now and then something will pop up like this that is really hard not to pull the trigger and pick up. Truly stunning. 2015 is actually one of my favourite Kookaburra designs, and I think with it being colorized it's just made it that extra bit special, taking it to that next level. Yeah, absolutely stunning. So let me know what you think about this coin in the comments section. It was obviously slightly more than the standard Kookaburra for this year. You pay a little bit more of a premium for pieces like this, but absolutely stunning. Really, really like that. As soon as I saw that, I knew I had to add it to my collection. So that is today's video. Thank you very much for watching. I really, really appreciate all the support. Sorry that I haven't been uploading as regularly to my YouTube channel and doing these longer form videos using proper backdrops. I've been kind of rushing the videos out just to do the eBay updates, and I've been doing a few short videos here and there from previously uploaded content, but that is purely because I haven't had time. I've been focusing on a number of different projects on the sidelines. My day job is extremely full on at the moment. So yeah, I've just kind of put my YouTube channel to one side, and I'm just trying to keep it as like it was when I first started it, more of a hobby as opposed to something that I need to upload every single day to. So thanks so much for watching. Thank you for those of you that are supporting my channel. Thank you for everyone that's joined Stacker Social. Stacker Social has been my main focus for the last year or so, trying to grow the community. We're just about to hit 2,000 members on there. I think we're just short of 200 people from hitting 2,000 members on Stacker Social, which is absolutely insane. We're almost at the 2-year landmark since Stacker Social was created as well. So yeah, 2 big landmarks on the way, 2,000 members and 2 years of being around. So yeah, thank you to everyone that's joined Stacker Social. Link is in all of my videos descriptions. Come and join the community. It's free to join. There's a great marketplace on there. There's weekly podcasts on there. There's poker nights on there. There's so much going on. And like I said, there's completely free. Just come over, join, get involved and be a part of the community. But as always, thanks very much for watching. Thank you very much for all the support. Thank you to my little boy that's sitting behind me being very, very quiet while I film this video. You gonna say goodbye? No? A bit shy. But yeah, he's turned his iPad to volume 0 so that I could film this video. So yeah, thank you little man for watching Minecraft videos on YouTube on volume 0. But yeah, thanks for everyone for watching, and I hope you all have a very nice day.